Serial production of today is adding a new technology with 3D printing. It all starts by importing your idea into the EOSPRINT software, the end-to-end solution that takes your CAD data and prepares it for your 3D printing process. Meeting the demands of today means reducing cost per part, delivering high-quality components at an increased productivity, supporting the daily work of engineers. EOSPRINT offers a new level of freedom and openness. With the parameter editor, you can create applications and geometries never seen before. It brings us on a new level in additive manufacturing. Now you can print different parts of a product with various speed and precision. It's simply called segmentation. So production changes. You just need to print it. EOSPRINT software. Open, intuitive, productive.